Hello and welcome to a special video on Windows Movie Maker. Now, Windows Movie Maker is a special video to create high quality videos and DVDs for YouTube. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is you need to download Windows Movie Maker 2.6, and you can download this by simply heading over to the relevant website, which is on Microsoft.com. And what you need to do, you need to go on Windows Movie Maker 2.6 and you need to click on the download button. Okay, once you've downloaded this application, you just simply need to run this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load Windows Movie Maker on my computer. Okay, as you can see, this is the Windows Movie Maker software, and it allows you basically to do basic things like add text to your movie, add audio and MP3 songs. So let me give you an example. Okay, so I'm just going to click on titles and credits, and I'm going to add my title at the beginning of the movie. So music, welcome to my video. Okay, and the text should appear on there. And what this allows you to do is it lets you change the title animation, so you can sort of scroll and do different text effects. And once you've selected the text that you want, you just simply click add title, and then what you need to do is you just do another text. This is my video, and you can also change the text font and color, so you can do different effects like this, and you just click add title and we just click play. As you can see, our text is appearing and the other text is overlapping that. And there's different effects you can do. You can do the blur effect, for example. Let's just click play. Okay, you can do the blur effect. You can do all these different effects for your video. And if you go into transitions, you can also apply transition effects to your video. So you can sort of experiment with different effects. Okay, and you can also import your video with sound, okay, and pictures. So if you're going to want to add a picture, let's just see. Okay, let's just add this picture. And what you need to do is you need to simply drag this picture on your timeline. Okay, so where it says video, you just simply drag this. Let's just quickly click play. Okay, let's just edit that text. If you would double click on this, and you just take this text out, and we just type in video. Okay, and again, if I don't really like this, I'll just remove this. And what I'll do, I'll just click on titles and credits, and I'll enter a title at the beginning. Welcome to my video. And I will add a title at the end by enter your name, and your domain.com, and then click title. Okay, let's just click play. There we go. Okay, that's how easy it is. Once you're happy with your video, what you simply need to do is head over to File, you go to Publish Movie, and if you want to sort of publish this for YouTube, you go to Publish on this computer, and you go to Next, and you just select the best quality, and then you click the Publish button, and then your movie will be published. Thank you very much for watching this video.